Hello viewers, look at my channel. I am Shreyashi Parida and today in this video I am going to show you the dissection of a China rose flower. These are the different parts that I have cut from a normal hibiscus. You can get it from your garden only. So these are the different parts I have cut. You can see on the paper also I have added different parts. The stigma, see I have written the stigma, style, pistil, ovary, filament, altar, stamen. So through this activity, you can all learn and understand the different parts of flower, especially the China rose flower. So let's start. First, in this upper part, we are going to keep the petals one by one, so that we can just make an overall design, so that it could make a good look hash. Wait, sorry, displacement. So let me keep it in placement. Yes, now it's correct. You can see the different petals. I have made it in a semicircle way. Now I'm going to place these parts. This is also filament, but this is the middle filament. That's why it is very different from the others. The mushroom part you can see in the up. Yes, so the mushroom part you can see at the up is called the stigma, red mushroom kind of thing, but it's very much small. It is stigma that you can see in a hibiscus flower top part. This whole is the part is the style, and down is pistil, and this is the yellow part you can see is called the ovary. Now we are going to take another part, but before that let me show you two parts. These are under two parts. They are same as the stamen and the filament below. That's why I am going to keep it separately. Another filament I have bought. So the fold it is a filament, and the upper part is yellow part is called altar, and the left part is called the filament with this white part. Another one that is thin is called the stamen because of its thin structure, and the filament is called so due to its thickness. That's why it is called so. So this day we learned that how you can dissect the China flower. So if you love today's video, then please subscribe to my channel and give comment on the section, give it a like, and hope you'll enjoy it. Meet you in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.